Oh, whoa, what's happening? Davey's about to answer your objections? Common fears that you're having? Let's do it. Most and foremost, a lot of you guys have questions like, does this actually work? And obviously, inside of my Fort Mafia, it is working. Inside of the inner circle, we have people making thousands and thousands of dollars. Why aren't you? You know, you're just a click of a button away. Isn't this a scam? I used to play Fortnite as a kid. There's no way you can make this much money. Well, in fact, you can, because Fortnite pays you 40% of their monthly net revenue to the top people inside of the space. And as well, isn't Fortnite just a video game? How can you make that a source of income? Well, exactly what I said previously, Fortnite is paying you 40% of their monthly net revenue. Get that in your head, guys. It's not just tournaments anymore. It's not just support a creator. We now have a third income source, which is Fortnite Island Creator, which is amazing for people who have a passion for game creation. But I don't have any experience making maps or designing. Bro, it's okay? Everyone inside of Fort Mafia didn't have experience, but now they do. Now they're wizards at their craft, making lots and lots of money. Like, it's literally doable if you pass the 5th grade and have a brain. And I think a lot of you guys do, all right? So you're gonna be good. I'm not creative enough to make games that people want to play. Everyone is creative in their own way, bro. We're all just curious creatures trying to live life and serve a higher purpose than ourselves. I have students who literally haven't been creative at all that have been making hundreds and thousands of dollars. And the reason why is because I give them a fundamental breakdown of how to actually structure your game that doesn't actually have to always have an amazing idea. And what I mean by structuring is the base, the elements, the thumbnail, the marketing, the promotion, which is all taken care of inside of Fort Mafia. Do I need to know how to code? Of course you do. But we have verse code tutorials inside of Fort Mafia. We have a plethora of connections to help you guys get started learning verse code, learning verse programming to get started making Fortnite Maps. What if I'm not a good gamer? Well, realistically, you don't really have to be a good gamer at all. Like, it doesn't matter what type of person you are, what individual you are. This perfectly suits your abilities to get started making games. You can do it. But I'm too old for it. Bro, you can never be too old to make money. The oldest person inside of Fort Mafia is 35 years old making money. He has multiple companies. He's making so much money online making Fortnite Maps with his other passion, which is Lego creation, making Lego toys, making toys for kids. That's exactly what we're doing. We're making games for kids to play. And even if you think you're too young for it as well, bro, there's never an age to start making money online. You're never too late in life. As long as you have a strong desire, you have a purpose in life, you can make it. I promise you. And that is what everyone inside of Fort Mafia is doing. And I know you guys may be thinking, how long does it take to make a game, Davey? I don't have much free time. Do you think there's anyone who had less time than you and still became successful making Fortnite Maps? At the end of the day, it comes down to you, what your priorities are, how much time you're scrolling on your phone, doing whatever, because you could actually be spending that time towards your goals and passion, making games, making money online, making Fortnite Maps. And after that, you may be thinking, well, it doesn't even matter if I learn to know how long it takes to make a game. It still takes months and years to learn. No, it does not, bro. Everyone inside of Fort Mafia varied. It took them a minimum 5 to 6 weeks to learn fully the fundamentals and start making money online, making Fortnite Maps. Like, without any help, it can be super difficult, but that is why I'm creating this inner circle for you guys. Okay, so that's all good, Davey. You know, it doesn't take that long. You can help me, but how am I actually gonna get paid? Are you gonna pay me? Is that guy on the street gonna pay me? No. Epic Games pays you based off of island retention and how many players you're averaging inside of your Fortnite world. Just like a YouTube video. If you're getting a lot of views, you're gonna get a lot of money. Just like with Fortnite. If you get a lot of players, you're gonna get a lot of money. And do I need to invest money upfront to start? To make games? Hell no. The shit is completely free, bro. You can do it completely at home, at wherever you are. Just of course not on iOS devices, because Fortnite's banned on iOS. RIP to Apple in the chat. Moment of silence. I'm just kidding. But yes, it does not require any money upfront to start. What if Epic Games doesn't approve my map for monetization? That is okay, okay? We have a handheld instruction and blueprint guide to walk you guys through the process to get your games registered to actually be approved for monetization, because the process is very simple, but a lot of people mess it up. Trust me, guys, it's very easy to get monetized on Fortnite. All you have to do is spend 7 days inside of the Island Creator program and you're good to go. So if I put all my effort into putting all the time, learning how to get paid, making a great game, isn't the market going to be oversaturated? Like, how can I actually get good ideas? You know, like, it seems like so many people are making Fortnite Maps now. It seems like there's no economy for it. There's nothing that I can serve a higher purpose and make money with. And to answer your question, oversaturation is the complacency of bad ideas. There's no in between. People have to be innovative to benefit the future of our world. Look at Elon Musk. Look at all the top world hitters. They're all serving a higher purpose in life. They're benefiting billions and millions of people. And that's exactly what we're doing as well, but in a niche subject called Fortnite map making. We're benefiting kids. We're creating core memories. We're literally creating memories for kids, bro. Do not take that for granted. Why would people play my map instead of the popular ones? Well, why are people playing maps instead of the popular ones? Because the person who made the game had self-belief in the vision that they want to handheld and craft. They execute to the fullest, their highest purpose, their highest contribution, and they reap the benefits and rewards. That's how life goes. You put an effort into a subject that you care about with your passion, your purpose, your pride, to the honor of yourself. You have self-respect in yourself. That is how games get popular in the first place. Those are the beliefs that people have to have. Those are all the beliefs inside of Fort Mafia and the inner circle of the people that are making the most money online. How do I get people inside of my game? Which is a big question that you guys struggle with, which is marketing and promotion. Which is why inside of Fort Mafia and inside of the inner circle, nobody is struggling with that. It's because I have a simple framework that you can just copy and paste and implement inside of your own games and reap the benefits and rewards. But to keep it straightforward, to get people on your game, you have to make a good game, which is everything the inner circle and Fort Mafia 2.0 teaches you. And no, you don't need a big social media following following to succeed. I literally have a plethora of connections and social media influencers to help you market your games and promote them on standby to serve you and your game for the world inside of Fortnite. And this is specifically for if you don't know how to market your game, you don't know how to get a social media following, what happens if this, what happens if this, all of your what ifs are solved inside of the Inner Circle. You don't need any expensive tools or software to build your games. You don't need any of that. All you need is UEFN and Fortnite. Your computer does not need to be powerful. Bro, I have a pre-built computer and it runs perfectly fine. And all of the students inside of Fort Mafia have literally terrible computers. You don't need a crazy computer because UEFN is fully capable to run smoothly on all desktop devices. Are there restrictions for who can make money online with Fortnite Maps? Of course there is. You do have to be 18 years of age, but of course you can bypass that restriction using parental guardian information. Have them sign up an account for you. What if Epic Games bans my account? Well, if they ban your account, you're screwed, but you can just make another account. It's not an IP ban, okay? You can always just make another account. And I know a lot of you guys may be thinking, is this a reliable source of income or is it just a temporary opportunity? No, this is forever, guys. Disney invested $1.5 billion into Epic Games to build this whole metaverse thing with Lego, Rocket Racing. They're adding Juice WRLD to the game. Guys, this is here to stay. This is not going anywhere. What if Fortnite stops being popular or changes the rules? It doesn't matter. Fortnite has to legally oblige to this rule of giving 40% of their monthly revenue. It is confidential and contractual now. They have to oblige and pay out these people who are bringing and serving the economy inside of Fortnite. What if I get stuck? Is there any help available? Of course. The Inner Circle is full of people who were stuck at a position and a point in their lives where they didn't know anything. And now they're winning. Now they're reaping the rewards. Now they're actually benefiting and making money online, making Fortnite Maps. It's not a one-all thing. Nobody wants to be alone in life, bro. I don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. You understand what I'm saying? You don't need a team either. But of course, there's multiple teams out there that can help you get started making games. Is there a community of creators that I can learn from? Yes, there is. On YouTube, inside of my Discord, inside of Fort Mafia, there are multiple creators that are here to mentor you and coach you to get you started to the fullest of your abilities, making money online, making Fortnite Maps. Is this ethical? Am I exploiting kids for money? No, you're not. All of the television, all of the products, Netflix, Spotify, everything in the world that is on a monthly subscription basis is not trying to exploit children. They're providing a service of value that is worth more than the time that you're spending trying to solve the problem. That is why money and time are the biggest currencies in the world. Think of it like this. Would you want to spend a year learning how to make games, or would you rather learn in 3 to 6 weeks? And the price that you have to pay to learn faster is worth it in the end because you're reaping the benefits and you're making more money online. That is how all businesses operate. They save you time or your money. But Epic Games here, when you're making games, you're spending time to make money. You're not spending anything, which is the fun part, is that there's no expenses, no risk, no nothing. And you just get a fat, juicy paycheck at the end of every single month. What if this ruins my enjoyment for Fortnite as a game? Well, honestly, that could be a possibility. It might honestly ruin your view of Fortnite. You know, you're so tied up into making the money, you don't even want to play the game anymore. That is okay, okay? You guys have to look at it like this. What do you want in your life? Do you want to be playing video games all day? Or do you want to be the creator instead of the consumer, okay? But Fortnite is a business at the end of the day. Now you're your own boss making games. What happens if I spend a lot of time but I don't make any money? And to answer that question, why do you even think you're here in the first place? You know that it's going to work out. You're interested, you're curious, you're watching this video, you have the guts, you have the passion, you have the charisma, you have the drive, you have the fuel, you have the desire. You are going to be okay. I promise you. It's going to work out. You're watching this video for a reason. I'm number one. I'm here to help you. You're doing this for yourself, man. This is going to work out for you. I promise you. Bro, and all of the skills that you learn into building a game is a lot. You learn 3D animation, Blender, marketing, promotion, psychology, business, sales, getting your game out there. You learn marketing. You learn every fundamental principle inside of sales and psychology and human behaviors and business. It's inside game development. That's how you get players. That's how you get traction. That's how you make money. It all goes hand to hand. Nothing in life is wasted unless you perceive it as wasted. And if nobody plays your map right away, that is completely fine. Everyone inside of Fort Mafia at one point felt like they were at a low point, but not anymore, okay? Because we have principles and easy and fundamental copy and pasted guides that you can literally just plug and play. You'll understand the full concept broadly enough to a point where you will start making money just like everyone inside of the Inner Circle. Nothing is wasted in life, I promise you. And what is the worst case scenario if I try this and fail? There is no worst case scenario. Like I said earlier, you're gonna learn a lot of skills making games regardless. What if I don't know where to start? And what if I don't know where to start? And that is exactly why with all of the objections and questions that I'm answering inside of this video, before you get inside of the Inner Circle, you're going to know where to start. I'm here to answer all of your questions and beliefs that you have to get you started. You're going to know where to start, I promise you. What if this is harder than I thought? And I understand that, you know, coding and making games, learning all of this business structures and all of that, it could be really time consuming, it could be very daunting, and it could really pinpoint you away from where you want to be in life. And if it's not your lifelong goals and desires, then honestly, who cares? You know, you're still making money, you're still learning skills. Stuff in life is going to be hard. That is how you have success. You are not where you want to be in life right now. That's proof that it is hard, but it's an easy fundamental steps to get there. Like the consistency is the hardest part, but the route and the path and the destiny that you have crafted in your own manifestations is easy. That's the easiest part, is knowing where you want to be, but it's the consistency of getting there. But everyone inside the Inner Circle is consistent, disciplined, money hungry, ambitious, creative, inspiring, motivating. I'm here to help them, including you watching this video, which is why I need you guys inside of the Inner Circle. None of this, I promise you, is going to be confusing or overwhelming. We have simple step-by-step easy protocols to get you started, to get you informed, making money online, making Fortnite Maps. I hope you enjoyed this little video for Fort Mafia, Fortnite Map Objections 101. It's Boney Boy Davey Davis. I seriously cannot wait to have you guys inside of the Inner Inner Circle. I'm so excited to have you book a call with me. Thank you all so much for watching this video.